Hi students, we are going to discuss about nutrition and hygiene. Lesson number 21. Food is very important for our life. Food is the basic necessity of life. What is food? Food is defined as any substances of either plants or animal origin consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Food provide energy, growth, development, repair damaged tissues, immunity. Food that is contaminated by microorganisms is the source of illness like infection and poisoning. Adulteration of food is done because of financial gain. As the contaminated food is sold for poor financial gain, traders add deleterious substance to make it look good. However, it is harmful for consumption. Next one, classification of nutrients. Nutrients are classified into 5 major groups: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. First one, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It provides energy. Examples of carbohydrates: glucose, sucrose, lactose, starch, cellulose. Classification based on number of sugar molecules present: monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. First one, monosaccharide. Only one sugar molecules present. Example, glucose. Disaccharide, 2 sugar molecules are present. Sucrose. Polysaccharide, more than 2 sugar molecules are present. Example, cellulose. The classification is based on the number of sugar molecules present in each group. Proteins are made up of amino acids. The essential amino acids must be obtained by diet and cannot be produced by body itself. The proteins are building block of body. Let me tell you why. We have 9 essential amino acids: phenylalanine, valine, threonine, tryptophan, methionine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, histidine. First one, phenylalanine. It helps body to use other amino acids. Valine helps in muscle coordination. Threonine helps skin and teeth. Tryptophan regulates sleep and helps in growth of infants. Methionine, hair and skin. Leucine regulates body sugar level. Isoleucine, wound healing and immunity. Lysine, building muscle and bone strength. Histidine, creation of blood cells and tissue repair. This is why protein are building block of the body. Fats in the diet provides energy. They maintain cell structure and are involved in metabolic function. Essential fatty acid cannot be synthesized in the body and are provided through diet. Omega fatty acid is good for heart. Next, vitamins. Vitamins are the vital nutrients required in minute quantities to perform specific physiological and biochemical function. Then the inactive form of vitamin D is present in our skin. When exposed to sunlight, this inactive vitamin D through blood reaches liver and kidney to produce active form of vitamin D. The first discovered vitamin named as vitamin A by Dr. Funk. Next, minerals. Minerals are inorganic substances required as an essential nutrients by organisms to perform various biological functions. teeth, bones, tissues, blood, muscle and nerve cells. Types of minerals: macro minerals and micro minerals. Macro minerals are needed in large amount. Example: calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium. Micro minerals are needed in very small amount. Another name: trace elements. Example: sulfur, iron, chlorine, cobalt, copper, zinc, manganese, molybdenum, iodine, selenium. These are the classes of nutrients.